Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, you are waiting for your results. I am talking about new 11th. If you are confident about your success, you must move to some coaching centers for the physical mode of teaching. Dear students, 2019 and 20 academic year turned victim of COVID-19 pandemic. Schools remained almost shut, and finally there was 40% concession to you, and you appeared in the class 10th examinations and hope you will have a mega success. Dear students, in order to compensate the loss you met with during the last academic year, better is to put extra efforts, do extra hard work so that you can crack the examinations, not only the barriers in front of you so easily. Dear students, self-study and hard work, it is a proven fact that it can take one's boat to the bank. Dear students of New 11th, subject political science, today we are dealing with the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Dear students, there was a debate in India for a long time whether the preamble is the part of Indian Constitution or not. Finally, in 1976, when 42nd Constitutional Amendment came in, and word secularism and socialism was added to the Indian Constitution through 42nd Constitutional Amendment in 1976. So the debate came over that now the preamble is the part of the Indian Constitution. But the question arises here, what is the preamble? So simple it is. The preamble is an introduction of the Indian Constitution or the opening words of the Indian Constitution in which aims and objectives of the Constitution are given. So simply you have to keep in the mind that the preamble is an introduction or the opening words of the Indian Constitution in which aims and objectives of the Constitution are given. On 13th of December 1946, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of India, moved objective resolution in which there was the guiding principles for the constitution makers, and this objective resolution finally became the preamble of the Indian Constitution. The preamble of the Indian Constitution starts with this: we, the people of India, have solemnly resolved to constitute India a sovereign, secular, social, democratic republic and secure all to its all citizens justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Dear students, so simply you have to keep in the mind that the introduction to the Indian Constitution, in which aims and objectives of the Constitution are given, is the preamble. I have already addressed to you that there was a debate going on whether this preamble is the part of Indian Constitution or not. But in 1976, when 42nd Constitutional Amendment came, the first time the preamble of Indian Constitution was amended. The word secularism and socialism was added to the Indian Constitution or the preamble of the Constitution. That means it is the part of the now part of the Indian Constitution. And the opening words of the preamble are: remember, we, the people of India, have solemnly resolved to constitute India a sovereign, secular, social, democratic republic and secure to its all citizens justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. This is the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Dear students, so the preamble is an introduction to the Indian Constitution in which objectives of the Constitution or the aims of the Constitution are given. When Indian Constitution was adopted on 26th of November 26th of November 1949, on the same date the preamble of the Indian Constitution was adopted. Dear students, the objective resolution was moved by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 13th of December 1946. Then this objective resolution finally turned the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Now it is Urdu. प्यारे बच्चों, ये प्रेम्बल होता ही क्या है? जब हम सिंपल में इसको कहते हैं, ये तारुफ है हिंदुस्तानी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का। यहाँ इसकी हिंदुस्तानी आइन का जो ये इसकी ओपनिंग है, इसकी शुरुआत है। और इसमें एक डिबेट चली, एक बहस चली कि प्रेम्बल जो है ये हिंदुस्तानी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का हिस्सा है, हिंदुस्तानी आइन का हिस्सा है या नहीं है। लेकिन 1976 में क्या हुआ, ये जो प्रेम्बल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, इट वाज अमेंडेड, इसमें तरमीम लाई गई। तरमीम क्या लाई गई? इसमें बहुत सारी तरमीम लाई और वर्ड सिक्योरलिज्म और सोशलिज्म ये प्रेम्बल में ऐड हुआ। जब इसमें अमेंडमेंट आई, इसमें कुछ चीज़ें ऐड हुई, तो इस मतलब जो बहस पहले चल रही थी, ये बहस ख़त्म हुई कि ये हिंदुस्तानी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का हिस्सा है या नहीं है। इसके बाद ये साफ तौर पे ज़ाहिर हुआ कि जो प्रेम्बल है ये इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का हिस्सा है। लेकिन प्रेम्बल है क्या? 13 दिसंबर 1946 में पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने क्या किया? ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन मूव की, और यही ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन बाद में इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का प्रेम्बल बना। इसमें वो तमाम चीज़ें दी गई थी, जो गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल्स दिए गए थे, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मेकर्स को, इन्हें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाने वाले लोगों के लिए थे कि आपको हिंदुस्तानी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कैसे बनानी है। तो प्रेम्बल क्या, यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है ये प्रेम्बल। वी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया हैव सोलमली रिजॉल्व्ड टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूट इंडिया इनटू sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic republic, and secure to its all citizens liberty, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any query that may strike your mind, you can call me on my number that's already in your position. Lastly, I am repeating the things. Simply, you have to keep in the mind that the preamble of Indian Constitution or the opening words are the introduction to Indian Constitution, in which aims and objectives of the Constitution are given. In 1976, when 42nd Constitutional Amendment came in, the word secularism and socialism was added to the Constitution. So debate came over that now the preamble is the part of the Indian Constitution. Before that, there was a confusion in many people or the lawmakers whether it's the part of Indian Constitution or not. But in 1976, when it was amended, it clearly mentioned that now the part of the Indian Constitution is also the preamble. Dear students, better is to see these things on your available political science reference books. Since you are new to the political science, within short duration of time you will learn the political terminology and political concepts. In beginning you will find some difficulty, but it's a human brain, it can accommodate everything. Thanks. Be balanced.